Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to start a Facebook fundraiser. So it's actually pretty simple. So yeah guys, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all you just have to open up Facebook application on your iPhone like this, and here just search for Facebook fundraiser. Right, so once you've done that, just click on fundraisers at the top, and here it will give you an option to create a fundraiser. So you can just create a fundraiser. So unfortunately I cannot really click on raise money to start a fundraiser on my profile, but if you just click on raise money here, you can start a fundraiser. So this is how you start a Facebook fundraiser if it's allowed in your country. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Peace.